really wanna say you this. And the Malcolm Pious or rebel are gonna tell you that. Ah, what? Listen for that. Right. Empty pocket. All my cars has gone fast like a rocket. No money here, I'm financially broken. Not a dime, not a coin, not a token. And so me tell you that. Empty pocket. All my cars has gone fast like a rocket. No money here, I'm financially broken. Not a dime, not a coin, not a token. Empty pocket, nothing more to say. Everything I do is to pay. Everything I need cause an eye of the fears. All I see is poverty all around me, please. I said a hustling in order to survive. Oh yes, dealing with the devil every time. Oh yes, every day I hustle for my child and for my family. Every day I'm looking for the money just to pay my bills. Anyway, I got to keep them safe from all this suffering. I said hustling in a this complex situation, there's no way back. Singing for a dime in a the club in a the late night. Me have been working on me block to help my neighbors run away from poverty cause I work hard. I said hustling